Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope we had a wonderful night's sleep. To God Almighty be the glory. Thank you for stopping by. Um, I reference God Almighty, the creator that was not created. He that's created and harps for man's use. To he alone be all the glory. I wonder what life would have looked like if God has not made harps for us to use, if God has not created roots for us to use. I wonder what life would have looked like. Thank you. So let's go into the video proper. When I want to make a video on, when I really want to talk about my products, I make a video, a complete video on my products. This is not about my products, but I am making this video for others to benefit from it. I am making this video for others to learn. I am making this video to encourage others, to encourage us not to give up in whatever we are doing in life, be it prayer, be it the use of these natural things. The key word is never giving up. Now, reason why I decide today to make this video is, to the glory of God. If you check my community now, I shared something. In as much as by the grace of God, I share my my victories by the grace of God, please. I want to address something. It's not just about if you are using my own product. Why you get attacked while using a spiritual product? Now, it's not about only a spiritual product. Whenever you start doing something that will benefit your life, that will benefit you in the long run, even if it is prayer. Whenever you stand up in prayer and say, God, enough is enough, I want this thing and all that, you will begin to get an attack. Yes. You will begin to get an attack. Now, the attack, the funny thing about the attack when it comes to prayer or anything is, it may not even come in your dream. The attack, they may use something like anger to destroy that prayer, because it's already known that this prayer, if this person continue this prayer for 7 days, he or she will liberate himself. See, we need to be spiritually alert and wise when it comes to spiritual things, prayer, believing in God. The devices of the enemy, it may look like, oh, now, some persons will tell you, oh, when I started using a particular product, I got an attack. This, I had to stop. No. That is not the time for you to stop. It shows that whatever you are doing is touching something. If it is not effective for touching something, you will not be attacked to make you stop that thing. Now, when you check the community, this lady made the cleansing soap on the channel herself. She said she started experiencing attack. She said, okay, maybe she didn't make it, she didn't get it right. She bought from me, she was experiencing attack. You understand? Then she gave her brother the cleansing soap. The brother said he's getting favor when he was using it. He's getting favor, getting victorious dreams, and also seeing lottery numbers that he plays and he wins those numbers. Now that one captivates me. Please, I'll ask her to give me her brother's number. I need the brother's number. Please, if you help me see some numbers. Now, joke aside. Like I said earlier, it's not about promoting my product. If I want to promote my product, I will sit down and make a complete video, but I want to address this issue for some other persons to benefit. Now, to the glory of God, to the glory of God, people may be wondering, oh, why should you share such kind of things? No. I will not hide it because she said otherwise. To the glory of God, I have 80% good reviews on my product. So the 10 or 20% or 30% will not make me not to talk about the truth. You understand? Whether you are preparing it yourself, whether you are buying it elsewhere, whether you are using, even if it's not a product, whether you started doing prayers, fasting, whether you started preparing, doing some of these natural things yourself, and you begin to get attacked, it's not time to give up. It is a strategy. I have one of us that once bought some spiritual colors from me. I mixed it for her for a particular purpose. She started using the color according to her. By the grace of God, the reason why she was using it, that thing stopped. But one day, someone came to her in the dream and told her, oh, she should stop using these colors, that they are evil, this. So she was asking me, I just laughed. There are some things you don't need to ask anyone. If you are using something, and it's working for whatever purpose you are using it, and something or someone is coming in the dream to tell you to stop. She said she stopped. She stopped and she began to experience that again. I just say to myself, sometimes you don't need to be told. It means that whatever you see, sometimes some things we experienced, permit me to use the word that is not even spiritual, is humanly channeled. Like when I mean humanly channeled, by people you know that know you, they don't want you to progress and all. You understand my point? Then they channel some of these things. By the time you begin to pray, by the time you begin to align yourself with the higher powers, these things begin to touch them. One way or the other, they will come to attack you, to make you to stop. They will come to frighten you. They will come to tell you, either through somebody you know or not, and tell you, oh, this thing is not good, this thing is evil, and all that. Now, are you saying why the person was still having those things, that whatever that is the person is experiencing? Are you saying that that is when it is good? It's good for the person to be experiencing whatever they are experiencing. But when the person, by the grace of God, find out something they are using, and whatever experience stops, and then the person is being told in the dream that, oh, this thing, please tell me, between the revelation and what the person is using, which is evil? You understand? So I am one person that sometimes I don't like when you come to me on WhatsApp about some things and I read it, I just ignore. Because sometimes some of these things are things you should, I don't like saying some things to some persons because, so they don't feel like you are trying to push them in your belief. No. I let people believing or doing things themselves. It's a DIY world. No one feel carry. I have 24 hours like yourself. That's why I like or want us to do it. Do it by yourself. See, no one will pray for you than the way you will pray for yourself. No one will do it for you than the way you do it for yourself. You understand? Now, 2 days ago, I posted one of my customers and this thing. This woman, when she bought my product, a week after, I think about a week after, she started complaining. Before she bought the product, she was like, spiritual things don't work for her, this. I said, well, if you wish, you can give mine a try. Now, let me tell you something. Please, let me tell you something here. Anyone that tells you that they sell a product, even me, if I tell you that, if you buy my product will work for everyone that buy it, then I am a deceiver and a liar. Life itself is a risk. If you don't take, for those it has worked for, if they didn't take the risk, they would not know. Anyone that tells you that anyone that uses that, it's a lie. Our spirit differs. Some needs higher spiritual, I don't know how, I don't want to go into that. Even if you go hospital, not everybody will go hospital, they get they get this thing. Even if you go to prayer places, not everybody will go prayer places, they get their this thing. But when something is working for a larger percentage of persons, you that is making it, then you will be pleased and happy, knowing that, oh God, you are doing it, not me. Knowing that, oh God, I never said everyone that used my product. It is God that will make it work, because that is what I believe in and serve. I believe in God. I don't have any other thing that maybe after making the product I'll present it before. No. It is still God that I will run to and say, God, I have done my best. my chi, my guardian, I have done my best. I don't know the number of persons it will get to. Let the will of God be done. So now, please, like I said about the lady, she said that it doesn't, after 1 week or so, she said she started complaining that she's not seeing effects. But she was the one 3 days ago. I saw her message. The way she was thanking God about the product, I look at it, I scroll up. I said, but this is this person now. She has ordered the second batch. Now, she has ordered the second batch. When you are using something, please be patient. Whether it's from me, you bought it, or anyone, or you prepare it yourself, be patient. Don't be scared with this you began to, they will come to ginger you to see if you will stop or continue. Once you give up, then they will have the chance to continue whatever it is. Now, can I boost your bubble? This is the same lady that yesterday I posted. She used the black pepper. I remember this lady has been messaging me on WhatsApp. I don't have a solution to all the things like that. It's only God. Messaging me on WhatsApp. She's having an issue with her fiancé. This. Now, she did the black pepper prayer. I posted it yesterday. She is the same person. She did the black pepper prayer. And today she's thanking God. If this doesn't work for you, try this. Don't give up. See, when you start the attack, you will feel like, when I was not doing anything, I was not getting this attack, I was having peace. No. There is a silent war chopping them like a cankerworm. There is but you begin to wonder, when I was not doing anything, I used to sleep fine. There was no attack. Why is it that now that I started doing something? Did you think when you were not doing anything that you were not seeing attack and you were sleeping and things were not working? Nothing. Everywhere just tight. You understand? You think that was a victory? No. You have started doing something that is touching that thing that is making you to feel like your life is complete. Meanwhile, a lot is I don't know how to put it. Please, just my little encouragement. When you are doing anything spiritual and you begin to get some kind of attack, it's a sign that you are touching something that will give you victory. When they attack, try and see that you persist. They will let go of you by the grace of God. Like I always tell us, join these things with prayer. Join now with prayer. It makes it more effective and it gives you more spiritual backing. Join now with prayer and God. Don't give up when the attack comes. Know that there is light at the end of the tunnel. Know that the light is coming. The light is ahead. The light is almost close. You are doing something that is touching something. Please. For one to get liberated, you think it's just something they will just like this? You think it's something they will just say, just they go. It takes only the grace and mercy of God. So please, when the attacks come, know that victory is not far by the grace of God. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. It's none other person but Gloria Chizzy. Thank you.